Hey guys, it's me here. Today I'm going to make a full video of turning on all the fans in this suburban because this suburban is small. Like, check out the entire suburban. It's just in good graphics. So we'll start with this yellow house here. So let's walk into it and zoom in my character. Alright, so we'll enter the house. And when we turn left here, we can see a red fan, but you need to turn on this input thing to turn it on. Like, check this out. See, it's not working, so let's put the input on, circuits live, and we'll turn on the fan. Oh yeah, it's working, so we need this input on so it has a great graphic anyways. We'll turn on the lamp here, and then we'll see a BEPC fan, an orbit fan, which is still in Roblox. I'll turn on to both high speeds. There's a picture of someone there who made this house. And here we can meet an interactable yellow leaf fan. Let's test it out. It's not working. Seems it's broken when the moderator just designed it. So let's move to the other. This is what I like. A-box fan. Anyways, you can see a picture of the world there. So it has green blades. So we'll open it at number 3. So it's working. So let's go to the other room. We'll start here. We'll go next. Proceed here. We'll turn on this desk lamp here and then turn on this blue blade desk fan. It's in good graphics too. Anyways, I want to tell you guys this is where I hide when I play with my friends in Roblox. So we're going to next, but there's nothing in the bathroom except the important things when you take in the bathroom. Here we have an infinite controller fan. It's in good graphics, and this is in good mode. So we'll turn on the blades. Okay, this is gonna be so awesome. By the way, guys, you can add a lot of speeds into it because this is an infinite speed. It's getting faster, and we're gonna turn on the lights. It's so awesome in good mode. Alright, so we're done with this house, so we'll go to the next house, I think. This is a Starbucks. We're going to Starbucks, and we're going to turn on all the fans, and there's something to instruct to look at the ceiling. We got two cafeteria styled wooden ceiling fans with the same motor that I have in my house, but no thin pipes and the circle will where you trace it on a paper. It says here, look up at the ceiling. So let's see what's up the ceiling. Oh yeah, an exhaust fan on the way. Anyways, so we're gonna turn on the two entrance fans. Oh, oop, they're there. And then we'll add multi-speed. And then they're going faster. So that's it in this Starbucks. So we're going to the boss style house. Anyways, guys, in my opinion, this car here is a retro. It's $1 million. And this is where I did the HVLS fan video. It's that here. And it's only suitable to adding like 3 speeds. Here we got a reversible ceiling fan. It has metal blades, just like the drum fan that I took a video actually 4 days ago. So let's put it on medium to avoid super loud sounds. It doesn't have a really loud sound, but it's really in good graphics. Here we got cafeteria styles again. They're in good graphics too. We'll add 16 speeds. After adding, they're speeding up. Also the HVLS. The HVLS ceiling fan. Nothing here, it's just a bathroom here. There's a treehouse. Here we got a Hampton Bay Littleton ceiling fan. I'll just add 5 speeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so, and then we're gonna turn on the light. It's gonna be in a good mode if you turn on the light. The blades are a bit curved when they are in 2D mode. Here we got a pull chain orange blade ceiling fan with a green motor and green blade holders. When you turn it on with one click, you can hear that it has 3 pulling sounds. Check this out. I mean 2 pulling sounds. Yeah, I was mistaken. So it's awesome. We're going down and going to the next house, which is the tree house. We'll not take the retro because It's so awful that it's gonna fail driving. So we're gonna go up the ladder. In Roblox, it's a bit simple. Here is a AC fan, DEC, AC fan unit motor. And then when we continue climbing, we reach the top view, and that gym is right there. And we're gonna go to that later. And here is the video. This is where I made the video of the non-interactable desk floor fan. It comes with good graphics too, and you can't control the motors if you want. It stays at the present speed, and it also seems to be like cooling down. Here you got a brown blade, wooden blade ceiling fan with lights misaligned. Alright, so I'm gonna reach for it. Got it right there, the light, and then this pull chain ceiling fan. Also guys, I want to remind you that this place brings back my memories when I had my first account but I lost it. So please follow this video. I mean my user name. Alright, here we got a 6-bladed wooden ceiling fan with white blades. It's there, and we can turn off the light if you want, because it has a lot of light in here. It's the sun. The exact time in here, which is in the Philippines, is 3:50. So let's continue. That AC fan, I mean the AC, or you mean air conditioner, will be in a separate video. Alright, so our next location is in that apartment, I mean that house, where you can find the car wash shop. Where I was pointing my cursor arrow. Here we have a Ferrari race car. It's also speedy, but I don't want to ride it. Here we got a boss style white bladed wooden ceiling fan with a longer thin pipe and the circle to guide you trace on a paper. You can release it here, and I'm with headsets with the KSI brand. Alright, so this fan is suitable for like 5 speeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, let's check inside here. Oh, it's just a bathroom. There's nothing in here. And a toilet too. Here we have a non-interactable ceiling fan. And there's no way to turn it on. Yeah, no way. No way. I can't even know where the switch is, but I can't find the switch in any direction or location. There's no. But this remote for the TV, we can't turn it on. So we'll not mind that. So we're going to the gym where I did the HVLS video. You know, guys, it's a bigger fan and has a greater hallway with ceiling fans in the corridors too and ceiling fans in the classrooms. Alright, let's start here in the classroom. So we'll start with the classroom first because they're very rare. Okay, so we have this blade, fan blade, like with the wingtip of an airplane. It's very pretty in good mood. So I'm gonna turn this on, and it's suitable for like 20 speeds. Alright, that's enough. And when you turn it on, you can see there's a blue light flashing over, just like circle of light in Beijing. It's a bit scary, guys. You know, isn't it? You know, some of these fans are broken, but their lights are on and they don't turn on. Just like the other following fans. I think this fan is the broken one. Oh yeah, it got stuck. So we have to restart it. It got stuck again, so it's broken. It got stuck. It's stuck. That's what I told you, when I try to speed up, it's getting stuck again. They're all jammed. Here, you might find it jammed again. It got stuck again too. It got stuck again. And we'll turn on the hallway fans because they're all broken and I can't do anything about it. Oh, say hi to my friend. His name is Guest. After turning on the fans in the hallway, I'm gonna say hi to this guy, my friend. Oh, he's asking. At the gym. We can't really go in there, but there's no fans here, but the needs of the bathroom. He's asking me to go to a place where he is. Okay, by the way, before going to my friend's location, I'm going to turn on this industrial fan. But in real life, I get cold easier. He says I'm walking, so here's the fan. I made a video of this, like currently, like 4 days ago. Seemed like the Home Depot store video of the new fan. Oh yeah, the White House. That you asked me, like in the USA, Washington DC. This HVLS ceiling fan is so fast that it starts immediately without going slow. Alright, so let's go to our friend's location. I'm gonna get a bite of my donut first. So good. First, I'm going to my friend's house. Then I'm going to go to that store where I did the Home Depot store. It's updated. So let's look for my guy. Let's try to find him. Okay, so we're going to the Home Depot store. Okay, so we arrived here. We need to make it fast because it's been recording for 23 minutes. Okay, here they are. Gotta hurry up. Okay, so this is all for today, guys, because the other fans won't work. See ya all in the next video.